actually, because I remember when I was in college, I used to use their products all the time, their face washes, their creams, and today I'm representing them and एक brand का हिस्सा बन के I'm feeling very good right now. I feel I've been very fortunate.
Okay.
Which product of Pond you're representing?
Pond's Pure White Face Wash.
दिशा, इसके अलावा मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा और कौन कौन से जो ब्रांड्स हैं जिसकी आप पार्ट लेना चाहती हैं, जिसे आप इंडोर्स करना चाहती है ऐसा
Actually, कभी सोचा नहीं. I never planned my life, and I'm more than happy that I'm getting whatever brands I'm getting right now, and they're like very. Pond's is one of the most heritage brand that we have, and I remember using Pond's since I was a kid. So I'm really happy to be associated with these amazing brands right now. I don't know about future. I think I'm not so demanding. So whatever comes my way, I'll be more than happy.
Which in a really small time, you are now famous everywhere. You're a
Really, I'm famous? I don't think so. I'm famous.
Social media also. So I want to know, मतलब इतने कम टाइम में इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी, इतना फेम, इतना लाइमलाइट मिल जाना, कितना मतलब एक जिम्मेदारी हो जाती है.
Honestly, I don't feel that I'm very popular or I've reached that level where I feel like, like people are following me or looking up to me. I feel I'm a struggler. I'm struggling every day. I'm working hard every day to, do something that I like. And yeah, I've just started. I'm just a newcomer. I don't feel like I'm popular or, I've done something like that. So I don't know what to say about that.
Recently, your viral video, dance video, have broke the internet. Can you just let us know about
Dance video?
Yeah.
The recent one. Okay. I'm very lucky. It got picked up by many news channels and all. Yeah, I like dancing and I keep rehearsing dance. And sometimes when I have time, I do like shooting my videos. So yeah, it was just one of those. Just feeling happy and dancing.
And where are you busy right now? Pond's के अलावा?
Just on and off shoots, work.
Upcoming projects.
I haven't signed anything. I believe I'm going to be signing it soon. So once I sign, I'm going to be telling you guys.
Okay. Any question, guys?
Any other questions?
I'm officially blind right now. It's just.
दिशा, आपकी फ्रेंड है क्यारा आडवाणी,
जी.
मशीन.
जी.
कुछ कहना चाहिए उस पर?
I would like to wish her like lot of success because she's looking fab, she's looking so beautiful, and my best wishes to the whole team, and I hope it does really well. And she's a fabulous actress. Also for Mustafa, it's his debut, so I wish both of them a very, very happy journey while promoting and a lot of success.
आपकी कोई विश लिस्ट है किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ करने, जैसे क्यारा ने बताया अब्बास मस्तान, राजू ईरानी के साथ काम करना है, आपकी भी कोई विश लिस्ट होगी ऐसा?
My wish list is a little off. I want to play a character and I want to play a superhero. That's a weird kind of wish list, but yeah, that's what I want to do.
आजकल एक ट्रेंड भी आ रहा है दिशा कि बायोपिक्स बहुत ज़्यादा बन रही हैं.
जी.
अगर कोई एक पर्सनालिटी पर आपको एक बायोपिक करना हो, रोल प्ले करना हो, तो कौन सा होगा?
Actually, कभी सोचा नहीं. I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. I feel it's too early for my career to be a part of a biopic. I've just done a film, like honestly, and I feel it'll take me a little more time to get into biopics. Yeah.
Okay. Any upcoming project with Tyler Shroff?
No.
अच्छा, उनको रिसेंटली बर्थडे भी औरतें होती हैं, महिलाएं.
औरतें आदमी नहीं होते. हाँ.
तो वुमेन्स ज़्यादा केयर करती है.
I don't think so. I think
तो
men
any
are.
what do you-
I think men they are more concerned about their skin than girls. I think it's for everyone. I think generally everyone should clean. That's the basic cleansing and hydrating is the most essential part of your skin regime that should be there. And I don't do too much. I just believe in doing the simple stuff, which is very important. Cleaning is very important. So you must clean your skin and you must hydrate because you might feel that it's very hot and very humid. You might not need a cream to hydrate your skin, but you never know. From inside, you always need that some sort of hydration. So yeah, these two tips. And drink a lot of water.
so much.
Thank you
Nisha,
so much.
And wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. I really want to see your face.
I'm here.
Because of the light, it's too much. I'll see.
I'll meet you.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for
Thank you.
Photo, video.
फोटो आप अभी करना है करना है
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm blind.